What's up, everybody? We're filming the youth and teen black belt block of curriculum. So I'm going to be showing some guard techniques. Okay, this is block 6. So these are more advanced techniques that go along with the techniques that we've previously put out. So we're going to be in closed guard. Now, this first option is I go back to a classic sweep that we teach from white belt on. All right, so everybody that trains at the school, MMA, jiu-jitsu, whatever they do, they're doing the sit-up sweep, or what some people often call the hip bump. All right, we call it both. So what I'm going to do is I want to get her coming down. So I'm going to bring my heels in. I'm going to start bringing her down. And when she goes to lean back, okay, I'm going to leave my hand actually over on this side. This is a mistake a lot of kids make, by the way, and some adults too. But meaning that I didn't put my arm on this side to trap her arm and stuff, and that's why you put it on the mat. If you do it on purpose, it's okay. So from here, what I want to do is I want to come out into my triangle, keeping my hips up. Okay? So I'm going to bring her down. When she corrects, I'm shooting like a shot put here against her head. When she posts her hand, like this, hips up. Pass the arm, keep your hips up, and choke. So that is a hip bump to a triangle. One more time, pull her down, she corrects, there, just like that. When you get to here, this is like a triangle type guard. Lift your hips up, pass her arm, tighten your legs, but keep your hips up. It's gonna make the choke faster. If you let your hips up and down all the time, they might get out, okay? So that is a hip bump to a triangle. Thanks.